Thanks, Gib. Well, when serious winter weather hits, folks flood the stores stocking up on food to help hunker down. But whether it's because of illness or age, some in our area just can't make it out. As WPTZ's Robin Estabrook reports, one local group is taking matters into their own hands, building blizzard bags for senior citizens.
Volunteers are hard at work stuffing the Champlain Valley Agency on Aging's blizzard bags. Those involved say this is necessary for the seniors they serve.
Really, it's for emergencies. This is emergency food. People have personal emergencies that are at home, extremely frail, and they need that food. They need that hot food or oatmeal. It's all good, nourishing food.
They will deliver the bags on Monday, and some say the interaction is the best part.
The delivery of the food by the volunteer is more important than the food. Of course, you need to eat food to live, but it's that socialization.
They are making 920 blizzard bags today for all of their seniors. Organizers say they are more than happy they are able to do this.
We love doing this. This feels so good because we send hot food every day. We can send frozen food for the weekends, but they need this extra food for emergencies.
An effort that gives back and helps those who need it.
It's all about community. The volunteers delivering is all about community. That's what we do. We work with the community.
Robin Estabrook, WPTZ News Channel 5.